Good morning children, welcome to my class. Today we are going to learn our second lesson from the textbook. Yes, lesson's name is Numbers from 1 to 10 and 0. Okay? Yes, I know you are very much familiar with numbers 1 to 10 and number names. But shall we revise it once again? Are you ready for that? Before that, I'll sing one number based rhyme for you. Okay? Please sing along with me. Yes? Number 1 has let some fun. Number 2, what shall we do? Number 3, let the birds free. Number 4, let eat some more. Number 5, let's go for a drive. Number 6, let me fix. Number 7, God lives in heaven. Number 8, let close the door. Number 9, let's go and play. Number 10, are you fine? Yes children, are you fine? Yes, come on, let's start our lesson. Okay, just count the numbers 1 to 10. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes children. Today we are going to count the numbers using some objects. Today I have brought some chocolates. Okay, do you like chocolate? Let's count the numbers. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now we are counting the numbers 1 to 10. Now you please raise your hands and start to count. Okay, ready? Yes. First I want to see your index finger. Yes. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Okay? Then our next concept is 0. Do you know what is 0? 0 means nothing. Spelling of 0, Z-E-R-O. Okay? Z-E-R-O. See, look at the board children. See, I have 3 balloons. I gave 1 balloon to my friend Seema. So, how many balloons are left with me? How many balloons are left with me? See, 1, 2. Now I have 2 balloons. See, my another friend Reena asked me for a balloon. So, I gave this balloon to my friend Reena. See children? Now how many balloons left with me? Only 1. Now my brother also asked me for a balloon. So I gave the last one. See children? Now how many balloons are left with me? Nothing. Nothing means 0. Okay? Are you clear with this topic? Yes. And next we are going to learn ordering of numbers. Numbers have an order. One number comes after another number. Now please look at the board. Can you see the stairs? Yes. Here 0 to 10 numbers are marked on it. Yes. This boy is standing at the bottom of the stair. This boy wants to go to the top of the stair. Okay. Now how he can go? See, he start climb from 0 to 1. Then he go 1 to 2, then 2 to 3, then 3 to 4, then 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, from 9 to 10. Now he reached at the top of the stair. We cannot count 2 after 0. we cannot count 3 after 1. So we have to count the numbers. Ones come after 2. 2 comes after 1. 3 comes after 2. And so on. Yes, okay children. Now we will study the same topic using a number line. Can you see the number line? Yes children, I will show you this. This is a number line. See, 0 to 10 numbers are marked on it. Yes, on a number line, the numbers on the right side is greater than the number on left. Okay? Yes children, next we are going to learn the concept of after, before and between. Children, next we are going to learn the concept of before, after and between. Okay, the first one is before. Now please look at the board. See, here 0 to 10 numbers are here. Now see children, here 0 comes before 1. 1 comes before 2. 2 comes before 3. 3 comes before 4. 4 comes before 5. 5 comes before 6. 6 comes before 7. 7 comes before 8. 8 comes before 9. 9 comes before 10. Are you clear? Yes. Now, please take your rough book and write the same. Okay. Yes, children. Now, please tell me the number that comes before 1. Yes, before 1. Yes, it is 0. So, write here 0. Next, which number is this? Yes, it is 4. Which number comes before 4? Yes, let me check. Yes, it is 3. So, write 3 here. Okay. Next, it is 7. Which number comes before 7? Yes, let me check. Yes, it is 6. Yes. Next number is 9. 9 before 8. Yes, children, are you clear this? Yes, write in your notebook. Okay. Next concept is after. Please look at the board. Yes. Here, 1 comes after 0. Then 2 comes after 1. 3 comes after 2. 4 comes after 3. 5 comes after 4. 6 comes after 5. 7 comes after 6. 8 comes after 7. 9 comes after 8. 10 comes after 9. Okay? Are you clear? Yes, children. What comes after 6? After 6? Yes? 7. What comes after 8? After 8, it is 9. So, write here 9. What comes after 9? Yes, it is 10. What comes after 3? After 3, it is 4. Okay, children? Between means middle of the two. What do you mean by between? Between means middle of the two. Now, please look at the board. Here 1, 2, 3. Here, which is the between number? Yes, 2 is the between number of 1 and 3. Clear? 2 is between number of 1 and 3. Now, here check. Here 5, 6, 7. Now, 6 is the between number. We can say 6 is the between number of 5 and 7. The same way you can look at here. Yes, here between number is 9. We can say 9 is the between number of 8 and 10. Yes, I hope you have cleared this topic. Okay? Yes. Yes, children, you please help me to find out the between numbers. Yes? Please give me the answer. 6-8. Yes, which is the between number of 6 and 8? Yes, it is 7. Good. Next, 0-2. Yes, which is the between number? 0 comes after? Yes, 1. Next, 3 and 5. Between number? 4. Good. Here, the next one, 7-9. Which is the between number of 7 and 9? Yes, it is 8. Okay, children, I hope you clear this topic. Okay. Hi, friends. Are you ready for some more learning with numbers? Yes, super. Let's start. Okay. Now, let's start with number 1 and 2. 1, 2. Here see, 1 apple. Here, 1, 2. 2 apples. So, which has more? Which is the greatest number? Sure, 2 is the greatest number. Okay, 1 is the smallest number. Next number you please look. Yes, here. 3, 4. 4 leaves. Here, 3. See, here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 leaves. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 leaves. Which has more? Yes, sure. 4 is the biggest number. Okay. Here we are going to compare the numbers. Are you ready for that? Yes, please come with me. Yes, please help me to count these numbers. 1 flower, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 flowers in this box. Please check next box. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many flowers are there? Yes, sure. There are 6 flowers. Yes, here we can say 10 is greater than 6. Same way we can say 6 is smaller than 10. Okay. Now, next picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many butterflies are there? There are 5 butterflies. Here, please count these butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many butterflies are there? There are 9 butterflies. Okay, we can say 9 is bigger than 5. 5 is smaller than 9. How we can say? 9 is bigger than 5. 5 is smaller than 9. Now please look at this picture. Can you see these pictures? Yes. Please count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many pens are there? Yes, there are 5 pens. Here, can you see these pictures? Books. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 books. Here we can say there are more pens than books. We can say there are more pens than books. So 5 is bigger than 3. 3 is smaller than 5. Okay, next picture. Can you see these mangoes? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many mangoes are there? Sure, there are 4 mangoes. Next, 1, 2. How many leaves are there? 2 leaves. So, we are going to compare these numbers. See, we can say 4 is bigger than 2. 2 is smaller than 4. Okay, children? Are you clear? Yes. Very good. Yes, children. Let's start with ascending order and descending orders. Means smallest to arrange the numbers, smallest to biggest we call ascending order. Arrange the numbers biggest to smallest is called descending order. We are going to learn the first one. Smallest to biggest. Now, can you see this picture? Yes. Now, see our friend Arav is standing at the bottom of the stair. Okay. He has to climb 10 steps. See, he has to climb 10 steps. The steps are numbered 1 to 10. Okay, he starts from 0 to 1, from 2 to 3, from 3 to 4, from 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. Now he reached at the top of the stair, at the 10. See, the 0 to these 10 numbers we are calling ascending order. Similarly, now he is at the top of the stair. He wants to come down from step number 10. So, he will come down from 10 to 9, 9 to 8, 8 to 7, 7 to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1. This order we are calling descending order. Okay. Children, are you clear with this concept? Yes. Let's do some exercise. Now, please look at the board. See children, now we can arrange these numbers in ascending order. Are you ready with that? Yes. Here 9, 1, 6. Please tell me which is the smallest number in this group? Yes, sure, it is 1. Yes, which is the next number? Yes, it is 6. And we write this 9 here. Okay, this is the ascending order. The other one, see, 2, 8, 1. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 1. Then 2. Then 8. Okay, children? Are you clear? Yes. Here we want to arrange these numbers in descending order. Can you please help me? Yes. 1, 3, 10. Which is the biggest number? Can you tell me which is the biggest number? Of course, it is 10. Next one, 3. Next, 1. Okay? Yes. The other one, please check. 4, 5, 8. Which is the biggest number? 8. Then 5. Last 4. Okay? I hope you are clear with this topic. Now I conclude my topic. See you then. Bye.